Lezi ndaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli bukela inazi ezinohlonze emini nje. Usotswebhe omkhulu we-ANC uMdumiseni Ntuli unesiqiniseko sokuthi i-ANC izomthathela ngezinyathelo ungqongqoshe wemfundo ephakeme uDokotela uNobuhle Nkabane mayelana nezitolo zokuthi wadukisa iPhalamende kakhulukazi ngemva kokuthi emangalelwe i-Democratic Alliance.
This is the incident which the complainant says she found offensive and harassing.
Namhlanje sigcawe siphenye izinsolo zongaziphathi kahle kukaMengameli wamajaji e-Eastern Cape uSabi Mbenenge selalela ubufakazi bukaloyo wayengumabhalane wakhe uZinhle Nqayi.
Uthi isikhathi ofike ngaso uthi isikhathini isikhathi sokushaya lapha eGamana ihora lesikhombisa.
Kuyaqhubeka ukulalelwa kwesicelo sebheli somsolwa oneminyaka engama-39 obhekeneke necala lokubulala intombazane ebeneminyaka eyi-14 ubudala uLikhona Force eRuderport. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi-ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 Mzansi for sure kanjalo-ke naku-SABC Lehigh. Igama lami nginguDaud Phungula. Uhulumeni wase-Eastern Cape uhambela izindawo ezikhahlanyezwe izikhukhula-ke namhlanje njengoba bebalelwa-ke ngaphezu kwekhula abantu abadlule emhlabeni ngenxa yelenhlekelele. Ukuzwa-ke kabanzi-ke malungana-ke nalo lolu daba sixhumana-ke nentatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uNkululeko Nyembezi khona-ke laphana-ke eMthatha. Nkululeko, ake sikubingelele-ke sikwamukele-ke ezindabeni zasemini. Sicela nje usichazele ngokwenzekayo-ke namhlanje.
Enkosi kakhulu kuwe namhlanje into enzekayo kuba igqiza eli lijongene nenhlekelele eMpuma Koloni likhokhelwa ngumphathiswa wasephondweni uMr Uzolile Williams bahambele apha kule center bezoqinisekisa ukuba banikeza ingcaciso abantu ukuba ziziphi mhlawumbe izinto ezizokwenziwa uqinisekisa ukuba basuswa basiwa kwindawo ezokwazi ukuba ingabi nabungozi. Okwesibini wayicacisa futhi kokuba into ezokwenzeka kokuba abantu izindlu zabo ezilimele kancinci ezingonaliswanga kupheleleyo bazolungiswa nguhulumende bakwazi ukuba abantu abakwi-centers babuyiselwe kwindawo ezi abahlala kuzo. Kodwa-ke sisho kwakhona uba akafuna abantu abaninzi bahlale kwi-centers kuba uhulumende uzokwazi ukuba balungisele babuyele emva. So zininzi-ke izinto ezenzekayo kuba uzakhumbula kananjalo ukuba ukhangelwa kwabantu kuyaqhubeka kusenziwa kusanda kufunyana nje umuntu omnye nto leyo yenze inani lafikela ku-102. Kodwa-ke mandithethe naye-ke umphathiswa namhlanje umphathiswa ulapha namhlanje ziziphi ezinto uqiniseke uba ufuna ukuzazisa ebantwini kakumbe abantu abahlala kwi-centers?
Eyona njongo iphambili namhlanje kukuzojonga uba bahleli njani abantu. Oko sibanceda kuzo zonke ezi-centers esizimiseleyo emva kwale nqwaleko kuzojonga into yobana bayakufumana ukutya ngexesha elifanelekileyo, bayancediswa kuzo zonke iziseko zokuhlala nezokuphila. Okunye kuqiniseka into yobana abo banoba amakhaya abo onakele afuna ukulungiswa ukuze bakwazi usuka esenta bagoduke, sifuna ubalungiselela abo. Kodwa phambi kokuba senze loo nto iteam yethu seyifikile ye-town planners kunye namapolisa kamasipala ajonga yonke le ndawo azama u-identifya i-red zone ukuze abantu bangaphinde bayokwakha kwindawo esemjelweni wamanzi okanye esemseleni wamanzi bakhona ukuze bagutyungelwe. Into esiyenzileyo ke ngokubana abo sifuna batsho ngoku, then sizaba-identifya siyojonga izinto abahlala kuzo, emveni koko sibakhele sibalungiselele iziseko zokuhlala. And kune-grocery yenyanga yonke ebekwe bucala. So ifamily ethi thina silungiseleleni ikhaya sigoduke sibanika la grocery yenyanga yonke ukuze bakwazi ukugoduka, futhi siyabancedisa nokubuyisela izinto zapha ekhaya, into ezifana zonke izinto ezithe zalahleka ngenxa yamanzi siyazibuyisela, iziseko, izitovu, yonke into efanelekileyo ukuze ikhaya liphinde lifudumale libheke phambili.
Okay, kusakakhulu kumphathiswa ke lo jongene neCOGTA kweliphondo leMpuma Koloni. Masibele kuwe studio.
Sibonga kakhulu yona ke intatheli yezwe kwelezindaba ze-SABC uNkululeko Nyembezi speaker Bukhoma ke lapha ke eMthatha. Kanti ke uma sihlabela phambili uSotswebhu omkhulu weANC uMdumiseni Ntuli unesiqiniseko sokuthi iANC izomthathela izinyathelo ngqongqoshe wemfundo ephakeme uDokotela uNobuhle Nkabane mayelana ke nezitolo zokuthi wadukisa iParliament ekakhulukazi ngemva kokuthi emangalelwe iDemocratic Alliance. Alright, kanti masihlabela phambili isigcawu esihlaleleke isimangalo esifakwe ngumengameli wamajaji e-Eastern Cape uMahluleli uSabi Mbenenge namhlanje ke silalele kubufakazi boyengumabhalane ke wakhe uZinhle Nqayi. Ijaji ko Mbenenge lisolwa ke ngezenzo ezihlobene ke nomkhuba wezocansi okuyisimangalo esifakwe ke esigcawini ke ongumabhalane wamajaji e-Eastern Cape Andiswa Mengo. Sithanda ukwexwayisa ngokuthi lo mbiko olandelayo unamagama aqinile aphathelene nezocansi.
Ummeli wejaji uSelbi Mbenenge uvule isithangami ngembuzo ebigxile ezinsolweni zalokho kwenzeka mhla ziyi-14 kuLwezi ngo-2021. Ummeli uGriffiths Madonsela ubefuna uvo kobengumabhalane wejaji uZinhle Nqayi ngeinsolo ezibekwe nguAndiswa Mengo zokuthi ijaji uMbenenge lake lamcela ihhovisi lalo ukuthi aliphathaphathe ubuntu balo ngomlomo. uZinhle Nqayi uthe akukhumbulayo ngalelo langa ijaji uMbenenge lalimatasa kakhulu ngomsebenzi wasehhovisi.
Let me give you the gist of it. She says, she alleges, the complainant alleges.
Ndifuna ukukunika ke nje ngokufutshane utyhola ngelithi yena lo ukhalazile.
In the JP's chambers, the JP showed her his pants with an erect penis and said to her,
uthi ke uJP umbizele apha kuye ofisini. Wangena phe ofisini kaJP waze uJP yena wabonisa yena ubudoda bakhe obuqinileyo kanye bumileyo apha kuye ebhlukweni.
And said to her, can you see the effect you have on me?
Wathi kuye uyayibona into ondenza yona na?
Come and suck it.
Izake uzoyimunca utsho yena.
At which point the complainant says she left the chambers.
Andisakhumbula kakuhle kodwa kubo kwakukhona no Mr Makhangela ngabantu babeququzelela la lecture yayizawuba khona pha eMthatha.
Isithangami siyaqhubeka esentini.
Uma sibele odabeni esike salithinta phambili uSotswebhu omkhulu weANC uMdumiseni Ntuli uthi unesiqiniseko sokuthi ANC izomthathela izinyathelo ungqongqoshe wemfundo ephakeme uDokotela uNobuhle Nkabane.
We were very concerned about the developments that have unfolded following the minister's appearance before the Portfolio Committee. So certainly we all have been very concerned. And what really comforted us was that already the matter has been reported to the Ethics Committee of Parliament.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo ephakeme uDokotela Nobuhle Nkabane unqabe ukudalula amagama ethimbe laqoko sihlalo bebhodi lesitha phambilini emva kokuba kwakuvele ungagculiseki kwabantu ngokuqoka kwabo labo sihlalo. Sotswebhu omkhulu ANC uthi bonke yabakhathaza indlela ayephendula ngayo uNkabane buzwa imibuzo ngokuqoka kwosihlalo. Untuli uthi ikhona inyathelo ezithathwa iANC ngezenzo ikaNkabane.
The minister misrepresented the facts in terms of what she said in Parliament, in the Portfolio Committee. And I'm quite certain that the leadership of the ANC in our head office is in a way somehow handling the matter.
Njengoba kuyi-DA ekhombise ukukhathazeka kakhulu ngamaphutha kaNkabane, uNtuli uthi leli qembu liyibona kuyilona lodwa libona into elungile nengalungile.
There is a sustained strange conduct of the Democratic Alliance that continues to weaken not only the relationship between them and the ANC, but the GNU itself. All parties in the GNU are disciplined, they are focused on the work at hand, but you've got this one who always wants to be seen and want to present themselves as the best defenders of what is right and not right, and against what is not right in our country.
I-DA imvulele icala lobugebengu estation samaphoyisa eKapa uNkabane.
Kuyaqhubeka ukulalelwa kwesicelo sebhili somsolo oneminyaka engama-39 uMduduzi Mnisi nobhekene necala lokubulala intombazane ebeneminyaka eyi-14 ubudala uLikhona Force eRuderport.
Inkantolo yemantshi yaseRuderport bilalele ubufakazi obethulwe isinqandamathe sikaMduduzi Mnisi nongumsolo ecaleni lokubulawa ngesihluku kukaLikhona Force. Lesinqandamathe sikaMnisi silandise ngempela sonto okwenzeka ngayo isigameko.
Uthi isikhathi ofike ngaso uthi besiphathwini isikhathi sokushaya lapha eGamanga ihora lesikhombisa yingane na eqinisekile lesikhathi uthi yingoba kunemhlanguzo akayithathayo so isikhathi leso sokungena kwakho khambisana nesikhathi lokuthatha imihlanguzo yakhe.
Phakathi kobufakazi obethulwe isinqandamathe sikaMnisi kube nokushayisana nalokhu okwasho uMnisi ngaphambilini.
Where the deceased was allegedly found, that person will be lied in court, correct?
Bangezimuntu la enkantolo ezethu uanelisa uma qeda nje ukunibikela udaba lona nibikelele lona uye wala la kuthiwa umzimba utholakale khona. Uma kuzimuntu ezitshela lo muntu loyo phazi ukuthi uzobe ngakhuluma iqiniso uthi yena lo muntu kumele ngikhulume iqiniso.
Icala liyaqhubeka.
Bukelisi sasiqu ezitolo kanti uma sibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthi
water is the source of everything in this practice, so we actually need water. So even if they can send like a truck, that would be really helpful.
Izakhamuzi zezingxenye ezehlukene zedolobha iGoli zinamanzi namhlanje njengoba ke iRand Water sosukwini lesithathu lwesigaba sesibili sohlelo lokulungisa ingqalasizinda yayo. Bukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibeka ukuthi Usotswebhu omkhulu we-ANC uMdumiseni Ntuli unesiqiniseko sokuthi i-ANC izomthathela izinyathelo ungqongqoshe wemfundo ephakeme uDokotela Nobuhle Nkabane mayelana nezitsolo zokuthi wadukisa iPhalamende kakhulukazi ngemva kokuthi emangalelwe iDemocratic Alliance. Mbukele sikhumbuza ukuthi ke lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus ngena kuzozicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola ngomjalo baso. Bangaphezu kwama-40 abokufika abengenazi izincwadi ezibagunyaza ukuba kuleli ababoshwe ngesikhathi kugaselwa ezakhiweni okuhlalwa kuze ngokungemthetho enkabeni yedolobha iGoli.
Kunemjondolo yakhiwe ngaphakathi kwelesakhiwo esinezitezi ezine kanti noma ungena ngaphakathi kwaso wamkelwa iphunga elibi ngenxa yamanzi aphuma emseleni ovuzayo. Obambe njengemeya yaseGoli uKenny Kunene uthi idolobha linezikweletu ezinkulu ngenxa yokuxhunywa kogesi ngokungemthetho kulezakhiwo.
We are calling on all the other private owners of the buildings to come forward. We are declaring war on these illegal buildings. Those that have been hijacked, that have private owners, we want them to come forward. Those that do not have owners, we are going to expropriate as the city so that we can put them in the inventory of the buildings of the city.
Ukunene usenxuse ukuthi kube nemithetho eqinile yabokufika kuleli.
We have also gotten illegal immigrants. They have passports, some of them, with the same stamp. The same stamp is on a passport from Tanzania, from Zimbabwe, the same stamp. So it's clear that there's somebody who has got a fraudulent stamp that they use on the passports of these illegal immigrants.
Uthi labantu bokufika bazodingiswa bayiswe emazweni abadabuka kuwo kanti sekukhona nezinhlelo zokudiliza lezakhiwo.
We will come back, take out South Africans that are here to an alternative shelter and demolish this quarter camp that is in here.
Ukunene uthi kusazophinde kugaselwe futhi kanti abathintekayo bazobhekana nengalo yomthetho.
Iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile kuthi-ke bazosivotela sonke-ke isabelo mali yize i-DA ihlose ukuphikisana-ke nesabelo mali seminyango ethile.
Ngenkathi ekhuthaza ukuba ihlanzeke indawo ekhuluma nangengqinambe ikhungethe kwezemvelo, uMashatile uthe enye inhloso yomkhankaso oqinisekisa inhlanzeko ukuthi kube nobumbano emphakathini. uMashatile uphinde wabalula ukuthi izoqhubeka ingxoxo yesizwe njengoba kufanele ithuthukise abantu.
The national dialogue is going to proceed. As we know, we've got a convention on the 15th of August. So we are proceeding because the national dialogue is not about political parties. National dialogue is for the people.
Izakhamuzi zilwamukelile uhlelo kodwa zanxusa ukuba lume njalo futhi kube namathuba emisebenzi.
All the things that we want to see as young people cannot start if we are in the state we are in, where there's uncleanliness, there's illegal dumping sites everywhere. We welcome the initiative by the Deputy President to actually start this cleaning initiative. But we also welcome that it will just not be a one-day event.
I-Free State kuvumile ukuthi ikhona ingqinamba ekuhlinzekweni kwedingonqangi kanti futhi ifuna zishabalale lezo inkinga.
We are very supportive of the program, as he indicated that we started already, and then he'll be coming back to Mangaung, and he'll find it in our own style in Mangaung how we do it.
Our DP, they have already represented us. All what we want to work for our people. That's it. That's the only thing that we want from Machabeng is to work for our people.
Isigaba sesibili somkhankaso oqinisekisa inhlanzeko silindeleke ukuba sibe seMangaung.
I-Freedom Front Plus ibambe isithangami esikhumulweni sezindiza i-OR Tambo ngenhloso yokukhuluma-ke ngohambo lwayo lokuya-ke eMelika kanye nokunye.
We would like to see our country prosper. We would like to see that our country is a success in terms of becoming once again a winning nation in a winning country. However, we are of the view that there are certain challenges that are making that very difficult and that are preventing that. And if we want to succeed, we needed to discuss these things in a very frank manner, and we did. I was amazed, and if I can just say this, Mr. Chris Opperman, who accompanied us, is based in Washington. Chris was a member of South Africa's Foreign Relations Department for many, many years prior to 1994, and he also served since 1994 for a stint. And he was able to assist us in terms of getting doors to open for us to be heard. And he will refer to that just now and give you his impression of what happened. I was impressed in terms of who were prepared to talk to us, who were prepared to see us.
Izakhamuzi zezingxenye ezihlukene-ke zedolobha iGoli azinamanzi-ke namhlanje njengoba i-Rand Water isesukwini-ke lwesithathu lwesigaba sesibili sohlelo lokulungisa ingqalasizinda yayo.
Osomabhizinisi bathi kuphoqe ukuthi baye ezindaweni ezinamanzi bagcwalisa amabhakede ukuze amabhizinisi abo aqhubeke nokusebenza. Isikhungo sezempilo sase-East Cliff naso sibala namabhizinisi athintekile kulolu hlelo lwe-Rand Water lokulungisa amapayipi awo.
Water is the source of everything in this practice, so we actually need water. So even if they can send like a truck, that would be really, really helpful.
Basically having to scavenge water, even me, myself and the other guys, we're just going down the road here just to scavenge water. There's a little pond. It's not safe water, but what can you do?
Umnikazi wesitolo esithengisa ngekhofi e-Cliff uthi imvamisa ekseni kuba matasa kakhulu njengoba abathengi besuke befuna icaffeine.
Most of my customers, they a certain age. They need to use the toilet, they need to wash their hands before they eat. They just can't do those things.
Ikhansela lakule ndawo lithi lesi simo asibekezeleki.
Becoming a full-on humanitarian crisis. So one, I'd like the rollout of the water tanks to start happening. I've spoken to them telephonically. They have said that I'm on their list, so hopefully they can do it sooner rather than later.
I-Johannesburg Water isinxusa amakhansela ukuthi axhumane nabo malungana nokuthola amathangi amanzi kanti igcizelele ukuthi kuzothatha izinsuku ezimbalwa amanzi aqale ukuphuma ngokujwayelekile.
Kushona besilisa bayisithupha kwaZulu Natal okusola ukuthi balaleke nembawula baseke behishwa intuthi yayo. Umndeni ukuthi usashaqekile njengoba ke bekwenza umcimbi nje nosuphenduka umunyo.
Umcimbi obewenziwa uphele kabuhlungu emndenini wakwaMagwenyane. Abayisithupha bebelele ekamelweni befake imbawula. Kubona kukhona unqubeko Mtshali okuthiwa usanda kuthola iziqu zemfundo eNyuvesi yaKwaZulu-Natal eWestville lapho ebenza khona izifundo ze-administration. Ugogo wakhe uAgnes uthi ube yithemba elikhulu emndenini. Ugogo ulahlekelwe indodana, umzukulu kanye nomshana kulesigameko.
Baba simbawula. Bathi ke mabesichazela bengeyona amalahle bekuyimbawula ezinkulu. Indla kade bekuyona ibincane ingenafastela. Bahingxeka mefika ezobavulela lo ekseni wakhona kaMagwenyane baba wakhona. Uyafika abantu sebethula basanyakazi sebequmba iziso. Sazi ukuthi bekuyimbawula enjani leyo.
Simo ke ngendlela sisithatha ngayo sisithatha ngokuthi nje kushuthi kube ukuthi iqhinga laNkulunkulu lanokuthi mhlawumbe indlela kade sebebizwe ngayo ngoba phela akuyena yedwa.
Ubaba wakuleli khaya okwehle inhlekelele usashaqekile.
Sengivuka ekseni sengithi ngiyabangqonqozela ekseni ngathola ukuthi akekho respondayo ngaphakathi kulendla kade belele kuyona. Ngibona ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe kushuthi badakwe kakhulu bese ngiyasiphusha isicaba ngenzela ukuthi ngibabone ukuthi kwenzekani. Mangithi ngiyafika ngathola ukuthi hayi angathi ba unconscious abanyakazi.
Laba kuthiwa bazofihlwa ngempela sonto. Londi Radebe, SABC News, eMgungundlovu.
Bukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu unganyakazi siyabuya. Bukeli usale kahle.